asofo ahe na wogana ha untimu nkan omo nti o ka se obi bia na obenya prophecy on fan ko ministry here sa asofo mako 100 eko ministry ho a ebia 5 bi na ebetimi attend to them. The remaining ones na yanti omo asem no, they will even get angry and start cursing you. A big wrong move. A wrong move ke see pa banaye.
Hey, nana dentia.
See, I am a mystic myself. But so be a floodgate in a you end up causing problem. Shadio, you say there are so many problems in this world, and there are so many solutions to those problems. But if care is not taken, these so-called solutions, they are problems themselves.
Nessa na sama abanya kan ofa Elvis efi yankra so aka say wo prophecy bi hu bibia brabe kan wo se no amu no sa asem na eye problem ankasa.
See, that's supposed to solve some problems, okay?
But a big problem
no. See, na me cho here. I mean more example.
Me tie opadana.
Bribi atwom. Na ye de ponko ne nante.
Okay.
Ye sha de nante mpo. Obe bra nante be ka se me say na omo free. Dumasu ya eba kuma se beto nchene. Omutumi nante be 2-3 weeks. Eba fa nchene de ko. Those days. Ntino edru ba bi no hu se nante ye ne bre omu dodo. Ena ponkon a ba etimi tran ponko so de tukwan. Nti obi ode ponko tukwan na obi a wonante no. Ponko no ye more comfortable saying obi a ono de na nante. Ena wo mu an ye hu so ponko kra nshada moa ebi a bicycle beboa. E wo mu an ye de car aba. De ade car came to solve the problem, the inconvenience. You didn't anything. And if you create a car, no, you have to solve the problem of the inconvenience. You no. But that solution is also a problem. Why? Because car no, you be here petrol begum. And for you to get that petrol, so you go to oil. And in that process, you know, a lot of difficulties, problem, more marine life, so many things.
Yeah.
So you are using the car to solve one problem,
but as I
creating more problem. Did the American say
accident cross was the accident and so
the abandon who say, okay, Tembia, Bibia Tremuno, not a soft phone be prophecy be some of okay canon as the nation shut down to us who move a donako fear and panic and no banning all that. And until na bani ko huni so yemma obi an hye nkom bia bio na wo be hye nkom a eye fear and panic nkom a yemma wo kwan me I've been here, I've been prophesying all this while police bia me chebe because me say America no ye nsem a I give you facts me more the enti America se we ni we be see banga say me to one nyankopon frɛ me na odi mi wura dem wasif o makonya na si ho no why na ti so obi an so na me tina so na me say me te kɔ de data banso that kind of thing no diason any prophecy.
Okay,
where we are prophecy but ade ba ko the Americans are ban ye mistake ni say
okay
asofo ahe na wogana ha untimu nkan omo nti o ka say obi bia na obenya prophecy on fan ko ministry here sa asofo mako 100 eko ministry ho a ebia 5 bi na ebetimi attend to them. The remaining ones na yanti omo asem no, they will even get angry and start cursing you. So the best thing is say form a team of pastors, ebia nipa 7. Mundi ma o man no.
Okay.
And bibia na. And these people should not be chosen because of Odin.
Okay.
Based on their previous in some market canon.
Itimi abam. And I have evidence.
Sisi ayenim say assume say the o kan semwa.
No.
Form a team of those people because see or maybe anywhere ebetimi progress without the prophecy.
Okay.
So prophetic in Nima or maybe ko US ko here.
Yeah.
They have a software omudima the White House.
Oh yes, omo religious and faith.
Go to the Middle East.
Yes.
Omo come for imam like say for omudima.
Yeah.
So without the prophetic, we are saying kasa a movie. But don't make the mistake say obi bia meka obe say asem no.
Nessa na no de onyansemu no nkabia ye gada nipa bia
bi ebi akoso odd number 7 is a very divine number so be a number 7 years of for yenim say 10 15 20 years ni monsema wo kan nyina ye nsem eto asomu
okay
wo kan nsem a ye te ebam Demonson no.
Mommɔ mpaeɛ mo ɔman no. Na mo hu bibi so a. Mo behu.
Mommɔ yamane.
Wow.
And they be osofo bi ate na asem na oka. We will consult these people na your team omo app and say yate se obi kasebo radio so. Mo hu ne sen. Eh yehwe mu na ye ana enye. The number is just 7. Now kata osofo ya bie kwato say obi bia na obi hu bibi mewura ya. The government is bringing problem on its head. The American actually a year or 2. That's when you will see, because some of the asofo no be hu say oh yeah you can't say you call hom pomantie yen. That's when they will begin to care say be ya na asemo kan embre mponi yen ka say asuma si kan de yenti.
Because me to sofo ba ko bi kro no so kra ka say sa na mampanyin aso ye ka de a ene e ma omu tie nti omu de beba. Yeah. Oh yes.
See afei na ye be pesika to ho. Abetwa another institution.
Omu say ye ma ene ye mo transportation.
Too late. They make opa ontie. The best thing to do is say won't me and govern a crew without the prophetic. Because the prophetic it could be even traditional. There were so many traditional people almost so hunumu and ya asofo say ka say asofo nko a. There are so many traditional people many ba omu hu ade. Nti all form say group no e bia kremoni baako, e bia Christopher enu, e bia traditional ni baako. Find all spiritual people together. Say the Bayam say because of politics no election ti and ka say offer Christopher nko na dia kremofo to nchen and as e bia offer traditional for nko so you can mix them up. Na team omo up say mo na mu dia mo man no. And the asofo no was on them omo bompaye no. Na nkremofo so omo mosco omo so ye den omo so ye omo whatever it is. Then nananam so wo fi omo to gunsa. This group no be a 7 pet. They are nkrofo omo na dia mo man no. So obi hu bibia you go there and consult them. Can't they D4 no? Me kan him fakesefo no. BBC na omo wo adifo omo ko omo nche kwaje meaning.
Yeah.
Na ya throw. Say na ya ti ohu ne sen. Nti bibi o no be ka no ene yefa. Na wo say adife wo man nim nyina obi bia nya asem on famra ha.
Na omusi say ebia hu bibi fa aban panifo ho de bibi a national issue no na de aba omu hu
ye ko mehu by force. Knowing very well say bibi film aba no. Me say ye wo Ghana how.
Yeah.
Mama yen say we should not be like ostriches.
Yeah.
Yen nim de esi wo Ghana ha. Yen nim pefe say asofo bebrebe nse omo kan omu hu no hwe.
Ayatro.
Ebi ye real.
Some
of them are very genuine people. What they are saying is what they are seeing. But do na de enya no kore. It is so be any sana. You will end up making mistake. Because do na ba be kan say muhunu. Omo kan say muhunu sebi. Na ma anya ho hwe na ansi a. Ebedu ba bi no mo be ka the real thing kwa no be gbagu after all omo kan say ansi.
Yeah.
What the government is doing, I'm saying this here. So opa on trase. Na asofo bi anampayifo bi onim se omo track record say omo kekan se mebam ye hu
omo spiritually sound.
Those people no sum them up na ka se mumundi mo man no.
Yeah.
Nse mu bibia na mumo yamane se yente bibia se fa sumsum ho a ye beba mo nche bebi samo wo ye ne sa na wa limit sa new sense no enye sa aba na ka se obenu no ho.
Na selection no so say be problem obi ka say na software we NDC ni software MPP ni na so na bia na ye wo track record say for the past 20 years or 15 years no or you spiritually sound there what can be ebem but ye kuro mu ha bibia kwaya politics ni minimi no
aban no should be
very careful
me ko ye bo me nkoso hene wodumasu ya no ye kuro mu ko ha ho MPP ni NDC no dendin de say ebo
strong,
very strong. I didn't tell me yes okay I need to work with the people there.
Yeah.
But I'm very careful because Okofa will be your NDC near. MPP 4 will not even come close to whatever Opus or ye. So I'm saying Okofa MPP near NDC 4 ma. Until me officer me one me fa MPP 4 or more chairman or your constituency hono. And I me fa NDC 4 or more communicate or area hono. Do me me two right me ba kujina raba kujina benkum. Ba ko me PR.
So we are very strategic.
And until NDC 4 so ye nipa ho nti means opeyasem MPP do the same thing. So the government can do same. Anya hwe Ghana ha yenim asofo a omo toe the line of the NDC omo toe the line of the MPP and omo ye neutral. So sankrofo betimi atusu bi wa ha otusu ba ko wa ha ofani neutral ba ko ka. See, we should be matured. The Americans say there are so many problems and there are so many solutions to these problems. Some of these solutions, so-called, are problems themselves. When you see omu you end up regretting. They are bana ye no. Me say one say na adwen say or for me group so mo na Bibini amundi mayen. Now what Jamus atwa acha within 6 months. You will see what will happen.
Because obisu be say the weekend and obisu be babejina me call ye cry ye mfime.
Yes.
Na me ko bi anhwamani.
Me masa me call ye ntia because mumu mintia.
Na sofo isu doso.
Omu doso.
Ye mu nketo ni mu akase.
Why do you make such a mistake? In the first place, no, why do you make that mistake? I remember for the mood here, I mean, instead of for the movie SOMPA. What I'm saying here and say, man, you be a man, I'm paying for no. I'm talking about those prophets, no. Yeah, they was heavy. But the TN say, don't make that mistake. Select some few people out here say, so who you be away penny offer advices. They are buying no empha for 2-4. Now for 2-4 na nya omo omo ye honam for 2-4.
And who soon for 2-4.
Choose them.
That's a spiritual leaders.
The Bibinia, you don't even come out and talk about it. Go there and ask them. Say no matter who is saying. Omo kotono omo bompa. They will get you the answers. What mistake?
Nana, this is powerful. Nana, sa prophecy asemi. Wada uruma ebi mo kasen sometimes say oh my Ghana ye din komo efa prophetic word ni ade ai anase e bompa ye ene ade sunsumu niema ene nkofa ai China fo omo mompa ye
she
ena China fo ene omu ni prophetic word ba mu hwe China mpumtuo na Ghana fo ma pompa ye abo ene difo wei eso man no mpumtuo ma de mugina na mugina monkwa de ekoso China mu hwe improve nana ye tete sansem ti ayete say Ghana fo no ye too spiritual ye spirituality ni so nkosi aga China fo nya spiritual na enso so no wo mutumpo nana chire mu na bebre na ni ntiase e wo sa kwan so
sister de tie ne say we as krobie ni we as ya omuni ahonhomfo a omobo omompanyimfo I'm telling you we don't need be a obey China omo governance system no be obena find out omo great Buddhist monks are they work for them.
Wow,
I'm telling you. Oko India omo President Modi no they have people that work for them. Kwa America President Trump or one crofo
Nana recently UK Prime Minister ya no ye Indian
yes
and son wo be enter the office no eniema Hindu niema wo ye e wo any candle so ye in front of the whole world one care and son wo ba be ra UK the officer wo kwakwa ye adwuma because no ye Indian born enti wan ko wura office wo keke o ye rituals no
anza no wura ho
Emma BBC CNN obia Al Jazeera obia ye nyina ye share enti se wo ka se ye abibifo na ye na ye too spiritual
ye dodo na no ye wa se bi ye ka se partial knowledge dangerous, incomplete knowledge is dangerous. Dodo na no nim de omo ye nti bebrebe abegum ana de omo ka no obi de ewom obi de nim nti amadodo na afono yen see 31st night and some ya Bruce Gugan han say afeso bio na ye beko 31st night wo dem pa mo nkwa asofo ne nchen na mo listen back up to the end say also last year 31st night
de o kan yen nyina
ka we nyina ni wankasa obetimi apim point dodo ko e bai
bem
say mo ye ne sa e media for no asofo no will be careful
na so my strategy
because wa can say nyina de agu ho na no obi am peruzu
ba ku pe bi ba na wa be dede ba ku pe bi esu bi a wo kan sem be 40
emu ba ku pe na asi ane kura no e chacha bi no to ye enti sa no time oso biem obese kan another one nti aye say no osofo ne kan bebrebe na ansi nti aye Ghana for no aye yasom ye nti ye hu ne say spirituality na kasa ye nkwase asem because I don't know day no ye develop it there be aye kwa asore ye sunsum sem nothing happens. By our real people they are able to see these things, they say it and then it happens as they said it. You know, abano entutu milikan temtem on say the software ya bibini obo mpaye mana eyo but of trinity
software wengam so gather
nipa people no get them and you don't even come out and announce te when e ko abisa okoje me ko abisa wa
da bi obi anka obi anka
obi ko abisa when e ka
obi anka
so you get those people no secretly even omunni government ko pay rules so wona wo ya aban na president na person no mako yie no you form them and kan aban institution bi ya ho say bibi ni amundi mo man no the time be so now pay be so money be from fuel be a it is between you and them now the better about this obi bia no obi hu bibi no o meka minim krofo bebrebe a so mo sha ase no mo boda mo a ade o medical fa kan e Bible and pass o mo hallucination no mo mu hu no o mo kan o gina ho a I say bibi isi ampa but e dam and social media and this first na so person ba fidie so a yeso ko tueska ko radio no obi akura smartphone a ono kasa woni radio woni nsam zani pa ya say bi na adwen ha say e afa so yi a wadwen so no so yosofo no okofa phone na nsam obeka no pesa aban no emfa ni serious a ye be ye big mistake okuro wem
nana ebra ye di nkomo about dreams no me be connect about who can bibi efa say usu daye betimi a che wo past
yes
or present and answer with future it may need daye ho agro me tane dia ba prophetic word ye omo kan
sure
sometimes omo the prophetic word ba eya na omo say mo bompa ye dia mo betimi avert enti say yemfa no say sofu bi emma prophetic word 31st December waka nsem bia be 100 ba mienu bi na bam dia kan mo amem excuse or the be man say oh ya bo ho mpa ye
na dey see ye no so e they see and so they na no see no kre woman say
na meti pa
the woman say ye organa ha wo asofo no bi wo ha ye nim say omo so mo ka no enye bosire mo ka ebinim de no opeso oboni sire mo ka no ka se me ye hunhunu bibibia and they make Kenya suffer do na ehwem se sie they go deep down into their own closet they know said their papa no can no ye ne kwese aso me can't the first na me boa manwe see you was be ka say obetimi edi ntoro akire obia there are two people you can never lie to the first person is a wuntimi ndi ntoro enkire wankasa ho and a wuntimi ndi ntoro enkire nyankopon
yeah wo chatra woni
wona wudi ntoro no woni say to na wutwa and nyankopon say you all know me
yeah
decided by me no way no you cannot lie to them ti wankasa na obaya 31st na o kan we no o closet na say kofe ma chiro mu
yeah
when in pay say entro na odi to the American you know say what I'm telling you the truth men yi wanu aduane mfiri wonsam
okay
ye pese o man no ye yi o man be ye ye hia nkrofo o mu hu daache
na
ye timetu aman no fo ma ban ka say ye nyina ye hu so call ye hu daache ye mfa ye nsam nko ha a big creative problem mum even though aban no help solution meaning say the entity our can say yes asofo ka asema ya mfa
yeah
na we yesi no
yeah
ye bibi na pleasing crofo the government is doing this to please people I'm telling you but a problem
and be sad dia be to man
a problem ke se enti na aban no pa enam se wa be kana bonten na ya be huntie bia yes panyin enti ntasu ensafa ne ketra manfa obetimi am modify the whole statement and say yehunu se Ghana ha no ye wa Christo for ha ye won kramo for ha and ye wa traditional people ha omu nyina bi mo hu ade nti ye ba se ye fa kakra wa ha kakra ebom no omu di ma oman no and nti no se in case ye nti bibia se ay buru ye ni so a we will find out from them it ends there nti obi aye mo ni din no oso no daye ana ono na adwen ade bi ensi wo Ghana ha o megira bodega se manya prophecy
because papa the artist obi to say chief imam say ya ti so ohuna de pa
ohuna de I know
ohuna de papa omo kɔ no ho na bi omo kɔ kya na de ne ade oso omo nsa otimi ka past ka present ka future tro omo na ye omo nwanti ohuna de papa it is said that we can it may not be only be a Christians
no
but ye won krofo bi dem say sunsum mu no nyame am omo sa adoma kyede no a se bibi be si nyame timi yi kyerɛ wo mo emomutimi hu emomutimi si anompo kwa
some people they will see they can't do anything about it but bi no mu hu mbesi nti aban no said the maker no so jai ade to see ya manecha ebeye too late so mbetimi aba back abefa sa asem no
okay
ti ani manimu ye no omonfa defense statement na say ye kan no ba say nipa na badodo no ya hwe ni ye ntimi nserve o mu nyina
okay
nti sa ade a ye no ye twusu nkrofobia o mbetimi adi ama o man no nti bia wo ye osofo na wo hu bibi na pese wo ka kire ya o pass house of no ya twusu no you can go and tell the house of no na o mo ho mpa ye faman enye sa me say aban na kasa benu no ho because the TN says so people will see say media me ka asem na ya mfa and obi bia na ohu bibia oka no e ka ono nko anka ensi
ya ne yemmoni di
nti ono na oba ya na mantie na asem no obako tena na fidie so na wakoka wo ho nti otumi ampa then oba work on said ya me kan no emrem na mpa influence me buy yam fa ni dia ma me no me na say ko mo frɛ me ti e ko any 1000 na eye ya how do you serve them Shaban na nwe yi a obehun say we a big mistake they making I know say it will get to them say mo be pe nkrofo a on be dia ma o man pick some people na say ya na mo kwakoye say prayer something no
Thanksgiving no
and your phobia na kwase you were forced to appoint some people and until you say now pay nipa 1000 and now for 1000 say open 7 you bet me for 7 na uja mu to buburu ya say obi ya meka na asem a say the meka no there are people a sebi e adwene na ate afa so and adwene te fa so na adwene say osofo and otimu see hallucination wo ho te say ata man for ba me nche girl bi ba me nche small girl best 7 years
7 years
ne papa free or a group member or the free or no Dubai no buy ena oba ga ndi oba we kwa ne buy say daddy ensama akwa ne kan me ho kura adwiri me akwa no was 7 years no o kire ne papa dem o te Dubai no me wo dem ho nyina ba bi ebiasi a o say anajo o mo soma no e ma ne ko ne papa ho nti ne papa bi bia enye yie no e ono
na yesa
nti o mo buy ye bo mba ye bibia awie no na say on koda ma ade nchi bi so meka nkyere me ampa o mo koda ade eche na akwa ka ke ne say o ma ne 50 Ghana no so you to them 50 Ghana no so no from daddy the other man no you say ade eche o say me ma ne 50 Ghana me fa say fama no no man na wase no dey go tuya ka the fama no go tuya and after that the man is now in Canada now we are selling bibi wo ho nti no obi bia mpe obi a bibi ne obekọ nja ko bisa say me yafu ya me ya na say me ko draw stamp acho me yam ya me yo dey na menom and nam so no more experience or say obi hwe yam say na feeling dry say okay konoma draw we obi anya ne field owo so when it comes to spirituality there are some people nyankopon acho o madom no nti asofo bebrebe asof ayi Ghana government onuma mo no on select bi from Kremo for side traditional side 3 groups of Ghana even though other groups or the back it should be 3 na be a number na 7 na 5 na bibia na on for mo say bibi ni amudi mo man no na wo biem to na wo bia to ho ya enkonko bo man no at the end of the day no aban ne benya problem wo ho
ade o how bebre ebebre no
yes